Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So today we are going to cover the software testing interview questions that might be asked to the freshers when they are going to get interviewed at Tech Mahindra. So as you all might be knowing that Tech Mahindra is hiring freshers. Okay. So they might come up with few of the software testing interview questions and that they expect you to answer to clear the interview, to crack the interview. Now, this video is especially created to help the community, and we want to help the freshers out there who are looking for the job opportunity, who are looking to start their career with. Okay. Now, the test questions that are being put in this video, you might not be asked the same questions, but yes, these sort of questions, these type of questions on these lines can be asked to you in an interview. Okay. So don't expect that same to same questions will come, right? It is not like you will see this video and you will be able to clear the interview. These are the type of interview questions that we have created for you. Okay, so it's a small attempt to help the community, to help the freshers. Okay, so let us begin with. So this scenario has been commonly asked in various interviews to various candidates when they are going to Tech Mahindra, that list test scenarios for CC functionality in Gmail, or they might ask you tell us the test scenarios for Gmail functionality. How does that work? Okay, so you can think on the test scenario basis from that front. Now, whenever the interviewer tells you that you have to list the test scenarios, that does not mean you start writing the test cases like verify this, then you are giving them the test data, then actual result, expected result. This is not at all expected. When they are telling test scenarios, it means the high level scenarios that come up across your mind at the very first shot when you get the question. Okay, so those are the very high level scenarios. In one line you can tell them and you can cover all the functionality. Okay, so over here we can start with like verify, clicking on the link, CC row gets added in the email. Okay, so as you might be knowing, CC is a kind of a option that you will get to add into the Gmail functionality. Then email recipients in CC are visible to all users. If they tell you to create a test case for BCC, then you can add like email recipients in BCC should not be visible. Okay, then verify that user is able to enter multiple email address in CC field. Then if they are entering the email address in CC field, then you are able to send or retrieve the email, and you are able to see all the email addresses as well. Then users should get the suggestions of various email addresses that they have previously communicated on the Gmail in the CC field. Then Control Shift C shortcut should work, right? So this is a corner test case scenario, and this they will expect you to cover because they want to know how much you are good in analyzing the thing that you are getting for testing. Okay. Then what is bug life cycle? Difference between sanity and smoke testing. So these two things have been covered earlier in the couple of videos. So I'll put the links in the description. So you'll get the information from the description of this video itself. Then functional test cases for pen. Okay. Then they can also ask like performance test cases of a pen or non-functional test cases for a pen. Okay. So whenever such questions come, like you have to create the test cases, then try to cover all the aspects of that thing. Like what are the types of pen available? What all testing you can perform on pen? What are all the features that are available in that object in the pen? Okay, so thinking on that basis, you should be able to start brainstorming like, okay, we can come across this gel pen, then there is a ink pen, then there is a normal pen, then there is a tick pen that used to come earlier, right? So the variety of pen you can think, and you can start building your test scenarios on those lines. Okay, now you can start with that pen is not making any sound when we are writing it. Then the ink flow, that ink should not get overflowed. Okay, nor it should break or something like that. Then quality of the material, you can make a test case on that. Then verify if the company on the pen name is visible clearly. Okay, like this is a very important test case, that if any product you are releasing in the IT company, and let's say the product is of a Siemens company, and the Siemens label or the Siemens copyright or Siemens franchisee name is not displayed properly on that product, then it becomes a defect, right? So this is a good test case. Then verify if the pen color or text written on the pen is not getting removed easily. Verify the ink color should be consistent from the start till the end. Okay. Then we can come up with some negative test cases. Whatever we saw right now were positive test cases. Now negative test cases or scenarios might be like put the pen in the water and then try to write. Okay, because we know once the water is there into the pen, then it stops working until unless it's a good, very good pen. Then drop the pen from some height. Okay, and try to break it, or how is it like? Is it, are you able to hold the pen properly? Okay, then so testing all this possibility will tell the interviewer that okay, this person is able to know the impact of all the test scenarios, okay, while using it. So it would help us to know the quality of the pen in this way. So basically you have to convince the interviewer that you are able to create the test scenarios from all aspects that covers the quality of the pen, that can give you the judgment on how the quality of the pen is actually, whether it is good, it is average, it is bad. Okay. Then performance test cases. Okay, write continuously for 24 hours and check if the pen works. For ink pen, fill entire ink and check that it should not get overflowed, or for how many hours continuously it is working. Okay, so these are all the performance test cases that you can add in it. So this was a small attempt on a few of the interview questions that are being asked at the Tech Mahindra. So you can expect these sort of questions. Okay. Apart from that, there will be aptitude round, there will be a GD round, and once you clear those rounds, then you will be asked this software testing interview questions. Okay. So hope you like this video, and please share the video link with all the freshers, with all the maximum people in your network, so that ultimately a small attempt done from our side is able, we are able to help at least someone out there. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, thank you for your time, stay tuned for more videos.